you prefer black cars or white cars? What about Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Or Tupac or Lil Wayne? I'm sure it didn't even take you up to a second to answer each one of those questions. Well, that's all you really need to be doing with this method to make money online in 2022. You'd only be answering a couple of questions to start earning up to $60 or more every day with the highest paying survey. Industrial companies, clothing brands, academic researchers, and marketers are using this survey question to collect data from a predefined group of respondents to gain information and insight into various topics of interest, and they're willing to pay you thousands of dollars for your responses. This payout will push you financially freedom overnight, but completing surveys for money could provide a small financial boost when you need it. Trading paid surveys online is an easy task you can do to earn money in your spare time. I tell you, there's very few feelings better than knowing that with just a few clicks of a button, you can earn $2, $5, or even $10 just by answering different surveys. This figure also adds up very quickly, and you can end up earning up to $60 in just a day, which can be immediately cashed out to different payment methods of your choice. And yes, of course, this website is 100% free to get started. No need for investment. You can make up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. No skill, no job, and no degree. Just a phone in your hand. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Roladel Business and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online on this channel. It wants you to learn how to earn money online and another to start taking action. So go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey after watching everything I'm about to share with you. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinion about the content. Now, let's make some money. The website I'll be sharing with you today is paydera.com. Before we dive into what this website is all about, you should keep an eye out for important things that will allow you to instantly cash out and earn more money. Now, all you have to do is to go to paydera.com. This is a website that will pay you money for taking surveys. It's as simple as that. So all you have to do is to invest a little time, and the time you spend here will be converted to cash. Working online has become easy without any previous experience. Using all-in-one solution provided by Pay Data to get paid, doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, and it's instant payment that requests both mobile and desktop users accepted on payday. You won't have to worry about anything because the payout is secure and fast, so you'll be able to receive instant payment no matter where you are. What I like best about it is that it is very accessible and the minimum payment is just $20, which means once you've reached that amount, you can cash it out whenever you want. This site also has an infinite job that you can do each day, and there's no limit on how much money you can make in a day too. Later on in the video, I'll share a trick that you can use and apply to be able to make money repeatedly and earn up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey. As previously stated, there are numerous and limitless ways to earn money and on this website. You may also sign up for other tasks such as taking surveys, uploading videos, or referring friends. Given that this is the only single website, you can be one of the millions of people who visited. If you just keep watching and checking out the proof and review section of this website, you will see people who claim to have been paid about $20. There's also a review here claims to have been paid $30. If you keep reading for proofs and reviews, you will see people who are grateful for this site and even persuade others to start making money from it as well. To sign up for a free account, click on the link in the description below. You'll be directed to this page where you can fill in the required information such as your name, username, email address, and desired password. After that, click on sign up and create your account. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to Roladel Business and stay updated on new videos. Let's continue. It's actually quite simple. Once you've completed the registration process, you can now do surveys, download apps, do tasks, invite your friends, upload videos, write short articles, and many more. Now, we'll show you how to make money with it. Once you've completed the registration process, you can do surveys like this one and earn up to 50 cents automatically. Remember, you can do this without limit, which means you can always refresh the website for new surveys updates each day and even earn up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey. What you need to do now is to click on any of the survey. Let's go with the first one here that says your surveys for 21 cents. You will be met with the task requirement of this particular one. Here, it says that we will need to simply complete the survey and the payout is 21 cents. So click on the blue task, open task. You will be taken to the official surveys page where you will just fill in your email address and hit continue to get started. And don't worry, all the information you provide on this website is completely safe. For one, your answer has assured to always remain anonymous. Also, your information will never be sold to any third parties. Assign a procedure just once where your profile will be saved, so you don't have to answer the same questions again. Your survey would use your profile to tailor the type of surveys offered to you. Also ensure to read every fine or print on each survey site so you don't infringe any rules here. Your survey requires that you must be at least 13 years old to enter and participate in any of their surveys. They also state that they are available, any available survey on their platform, you must be fully qualified for it and complete it in full in order to be paid. Please also know that you provide truthful answers in all your surveys. Providing false information in surveys or in any way to attempting to defraud the market research client will result in a block and forfeiture of your earnings. So please be careful. Surveys don't usually take more than 2 minutes, so you can get a bunch of them done in just a single day and earn up to $60 every day with the highest paying survey. When you're done with this site, you can head back over to paydera.com and select another task app. You can choose between any of these ones here. You can also check paid quizzes over the left side of the screen. Under survey, this task may pay a bit more, but what you have to do is it's very simple. Take a look at this one. For example, what is the capital of China? Beijing. That took me just 2 seconds to answer, and I will make a quick C-set. Just go ahead and give it a try. Give the site a try. Over on, payment setting is where you set up your PayPal email and payment threshold. You can choose between $30 and $20. If you're wondering why they pay you money just for 3 simple tasks, just know it's a win-win situation for them as well. They have a ton of ads on this page and they are getting paid on cost per cost or cost per impression. If you go ahead to click on one of these paid ads, they even benefit more. If you think this is a scam, think again. And that is how to earn $60 every day with the highest paying survey. So make sure to subscribe to Roladel Business and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Thanks for watching and bye for now.